Qualcomm revealed the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 last month, their next flagship application processor destined to power high-end Android devices in the future year. As with previous year, a specific version of the chip is expected for Samsung's Galaxy phones. The prior Galaxy variant Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy has a faster Prime CPU core than the non-Galaxy version. Although the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Samsung Galaxy has yet to be officially launched, source Yogesh Brar has given rumored specifications for both models. According to Brar, the Galaxy variant SM8650AC will feature an octa-core setup with a Prime Cortex-X4 CPU core running at 3.4 GHz, 5 Performance Cortex-A720 CPU cores at 3.15 GHz, 2.96 GHz, and 2 Efficiency Cortex-A520 CPU cores at 2.27 GHz. Comparatively, the non-Galaxy variant SM8650AB has a Prime Cortex-X4 CPU core at 3.3 GHz, 5 Performance Cortex-A720 CPU cores at 3.2 GHz, 3 GHz, and 2 Efficiency Cortex at 520 CPU cores at 2.3 GHz. According to Brar, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy will contain an overclocked GPU for increased AI capabilities. If Brar's information is correct, the Galaxy variant will include an overclocked Prime core and underclocked performance and efficiency cores, a change from the previous year's model. The cause for this move is unknown, and the focus now switches to whether Samsung would put its Exynos 2400 into the Galaxy S24 series. Benchmark tests show that the non-Samsung Galaxy Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 outperforms the Exynos 2400, although the difference is small. According to rumors, Samsung may employ the Exynos 2400 in the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus over the world, with the exception of the United States and China, where the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy will be used. To compete more effectively with the high-performing iPhone 15 series, Samsung may choose for an early debut with a January unpacking event. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.